Hey guys, last time we were talking about the tangent. We always said that tangent was opposite over adjacent. I also have mentioned so-ga for the acrostic. So is for sine, opposite over hypotenuse, and ga for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. A trigonometric ratio is a ratio of two sides of a right triangle. We have already seen one, the tangent, right? Now we're going to talk about the other two trigonometric ratios, sine and cosine. So our sine, which is written sin, is the opposite over the hypotenuse, and our cosine is the adjacent over hypotenuse. So, for example, if I had this triangle and I said, what's the sine of angle A? I would say the opposite of angle A, right? Over the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always going to be the same. The hypotenuse is always going to be the side that is opposite to the 90-degree angle. So if I said cosine of angle A, I would say the adjacent, which is this one, over the hypotenuse. So my opposite would be BC over AB, and my adjacent would be AC over AB. Let's look at an example. If I had a triangle like this one, sorry that my lines are crooked. If I have a triangle like this one, E, F, and D. This is 15, this is 17, and this is 8. So let's say I want to know the sine of angle D. I said that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of angle D over the hypotenuse. I already know my hypotenuse, the opposite to the 90-degree angle. So that is 17. And my opposite of angle D is EF, which is 8. So I divide. Let me look for the calculator. I divide 8 over 17, which is equal to 0.47, rounded to the nearest hundred. If I would have said the cosine of D, of angle D, I say the adjacent of angle D over the hypotenuse. The adjacent to angle D is DE over the hypotenuse, which is DF. So 15 over 17, which is 0.88, rounded to the nearest hundred.